Hello YouTube. Here we are doing the removal of the standard C5 Corvette flip headlights to install the Depo fixed projector lights. Recommended that you place tape around the sides so no possible damage to your hood or front bumper or fender. We've removed the bracket and we've completed the removal of all the stock flip lights from the C5 Corvette. Now preparing for the brackets for the Depo install. And here we go. We'll still do a fine tune. But basically, that's our setup for today for YouTube. We got 12,000 candle power in the highs and 10,000 in the lows.